Mushrooms are known for their great taste, have powerful health nutrients and sometimes called mysterious. This little fungi type has surprisingly amazing benefits. This is to mention that some mushrooms are edible, while other types of mushrooms become edible after cooking. You must always use them after the consultation with your family physician. Some benefits are explained here. Best source of vitamin D. Mushrooms are enriched with vitamin D, a basic and highly beneficial health nutrient. Vitamin D is more needed in old age and typically in a cold climate. So you all must load up your menu with mushrooms. Source of protein. Mushrooms have more protein than all other vegetables and other fungi types. Proteins play an essential role in building muscular tissue. Mushroom proteins are limited, so you must add a second source to your diet plan. Vitamins B2, B3, and B5. Mushrooms are a good source of vitamin B2, B3 and B5. Vitamin B2 is good for your skin, B3 protects us from light and vitamin B5 may help keep our minds sharp, while vitamin B, in general, gives us energy. This is all present in one amazing food. Improve metabolism. Vitamin B found in mushrooms helps boost your health by stimulating your metabolism. So you all must add mushrooms to all your food and diet plans. Fight depression. In a long study, it is revealed that eating mushrooms help reduce the risk of depression. This is an excellent reason to eat them often and in large quantities and in your all diet plan. Source of minerals. Mushrooms are also rich in various minerals, critical components in maintaining our vital body functions and resulting in a healthy body. This is another good reason to enjoy this food without moderation in your daily diet. Source of phosphorus and potassium. Mushrooms are abundant with large amounts of phosphorus and potassium. Phosphorus helps keep teeth and bones strong, while potassium plays an essential role in our cellular health. Improved immunity. It has been demonstrated that mushrooms' anti-inflammatory properties significantly increase the immune system's effectiveness. According to research, eating mushrooms can boost your immune system's capacity to fight off external invaders and lower your risk of contracting major diseases. Good for the bladder. Some types of mushrooms are believed to protect the bladder. Several species have high levels of selenium, which is a potent antioxidant that helps prevent bladder cancer. Source of antioxidants. Mushrooms have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are those molecules that slow down or prevent cell oxidation. The more we consume antioxidants, the more we can help our bodies resist degenerative diseases. Good taste. In addition to all of the previously listed advantages, mushrooms are just delicious. They taste good when consumed raw, roasted, or with sauce. In fact, there are a variety of ways to cook them. After all, savoring your food is a fantastic approach to look after your mental wellness. Good for the heart. Mushrooms are among the best foods for protecting cardiovascular health. Several studies have proved their effect on many risk factors relating to heart issues. Mushrooms' antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties are highly beneficial, especially for cardiovascular health. Reduced cholesterol. Button mushrooms are those known white mushrooms that we all know. The fiber and beta-glucans found in these amazing little mushroom types help combat excess cholesterol and type 2 diabetes too. Reduce weight. In studies, it is found that mushrooms, in combination with exercise and other basic lifestyle changes, can have an important impact on reducing weight. The antioxidants present in mushrooms also have the characteristic to reduce the risk of hypertension and other metabolic disorders occurring in the body. Good for skin and hair. Mushrooms are full of various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. All of these elements present in mushrooms contribute to healthy skin and hair. Mushrooms have also been added to some hair care products. Reduce blood sugar. The famous button mushroom is grown more than any other type all over the world. Studies have shown that they also help control blood sugar. Eating button mushrooms could help your liver better absorb the sugar in the blood, thus providing better control over your blood sugar levels. Cancer prevention. Many medicinal mushrooms also have anti-cancer properties. Mushrooms are used for thousands of years in Chinese medicine. They're now attracting attention from other scientists. These mushrooms contain special compounds that could greatly assist in the development of new cancer drugs. Source of copper. Mushrooms also contain a good amount of copper. This element is essential to our survival and provides many health benefits. Copper has a powerful antioxidant effect, which is involved in the growth of the bone mass, helps combat osteoarthritis and osteoporosis, and more. Source of zinc. In addition to many other amazing vitamins and minerals, mushrooms also contain a healthy quantity of zinc. This trace element helps reduce acne symptoms, fends off colds, and plays an important role in several bodily functions. Source of fiber. Mushrooms also contain a good quantity of fiber. Consuming fiber has other advantages besides that, though. Dietary fiber can aid in weight management by boosting satiety and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Lower blood pressure. Potassium, which is abundant in mushrooms, is known to lessen the harmful effects that salt can have on the body. Additionally, potassium lowers blood vessel tension, which may aid in lowering blood pressure. Mushrooms can be found in the produce section, practically every grocery or health food shop. It is not advised to gather them from the wild because many mushroom species are poisonous and difficult to identify them from edible mushroom types. That's all for now. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well.